guys, Joe again, Good Bushcraft. We're back out again for a camp with the lads at a very special place. You can probably tell where we are, the Bushcraft Forest. Yeah, I've come out with Deano, TJ, and we've got Seano out again for another wild camp. He's loving it. So yeah, it's going to be a good night. It's about 1:30 now, we've got a few hours of decent-ish light. It's going to be a bit drizzly, but no, we can't cope with. We're going to Hammock for a change. So yeah, come with us and let's see what happens. It's going to be a good time. First things first, before we even think about setting the hammocks up, let's check this view out. It's been a while. That's what sets this place apart from the rest, I think. It was worth the 45-minute struggle, Sean, with a heavy pack. Always.
Epic stuff.
Always. Oh, Dino's ventured over there. Oh, ready?
Good to be home, Jay.
It is, man, isn't it? It is. So it's well over a year since I've been up here with you, isn't it? Yeah. Time to relax, chill, because we did have a bit of a heavy night last night, didn't we, on the hills, Deano? So yeah. Let's go a bit steadier tonight. Holy smokes. Right, let's get on with things. As usual, guys, got the British Army DPM Bergen. Short back, that one. Sean's got the long back version.
Badass.
Yeah. Right, time to pick a couple of trees, because like I said, I'm in the hammock. Toying what idea we're going between that and that. My only concern is that there, so I might just have to cut that off with my saw. So not that my hammock would break, but if it did, that wouldn't be nice. And again, there's tons of options. I think we're gonna have fire here where TJ is. Pretty much that's where we had it last time. So we'll do that for fire this time. You found a spot yet, dude?
No, mate. Flat bit. Looking for a flattish bit.
Oh, up there.
A couple of miles along that path.
Yeah.
Trying to kick me out.
See? He's gone. Everyone's cracking on with things. Deano, very well camouflaged there in the trees, you can hardly see him. TJ's cracking on nicely, hammock up, tarp up, the whole shebang. I've just got my tarp up. DD 3x3 in multicam. Set it up quite high, so I've got quite a bit of area to work under. Obviously I've not got my hammock under yet, but I can stand fully up under. I'm not the tallest of guys anyway, but yeah, I can stand fully up, and because it is due to give a little bit of rain later, not much. Is Seano setting his new tent up? Looks like it set itself back down. It's all good, man. That's a hammock up. Sean's almost set up. You gotta try this out, dude. I think you should get your missus to purchase you a hammock and a tarp. Add it to the list. Look at that, I've converted him already. It is the best night's sleep you'll ever have. I think I was saying earlier,
sorry.
out of everyone that I've ever known camping, hammock wise, 99% of people say the hammock is the best night's sleep. Ray don't really like the hammock, he prefers ground dwelling, but yeah, I like to mix it up.
Yeah.
I need to hire that hammock actually, that's really low. Okay, all set up. Let's take you a quick tour around the setup. You've probably seen it lots of times, but I'll show you anyway. So, going with the old Prep Nomad Modok hammock system as always. What he did for me years ago. Paul, thank you, mate. DD frontline hammock. British Army Arctic bag. And then for extra warmth, I've got the DD under blanket, under quilt. And like I said before, 3x3 tarp. And that is a nice winter hammock setup, I think. I just need to adjust that under blanket. It looks a bit rubbish, but it'll keep me warm. Yeah, Here's the nominated beer tree. Stocked to plenty. Well, that's actually just mine and TJ's. I think Sean and Dean got to add a little to that yet. Yeah, we won't run out of beer, that's for sure. All that's left is to get me kit all squared away onto me ground mat that Danny gifted me. Thank you, mate, for this. Let's get on with things. Well, like I say, old chaps, a ration drop off behind enemy lines for later. Some State Detective biltong. Really looking forward to trying this later. Let the fellas try it as well. I must say, it is good to be back up here with the fellas. The camp is looking pretty cool. Just starting gathering wood now for the fire before it goes dark, but yeah, it's our best to actually start helping. 10 out of 10 for effort for TJ here. Trying to get his piece of deadfall out.
Wait.
Hey, I should do it just about. Yes. There's all the wood sorted to its different sizes. A couple of big bits that we'll probably just feed into fire to save chopping when it's nice and established. Yeah, good work, fellas. Many hands make light work, as they say, don't they?
Yep.
That's the fire started. Kicking off a nice little bit of heat already. It'll be food time soon, gentlemen.
Certainly will. Ready for it?
Yeah. Yeah, about to lose the light. It looks spectacular out there, I don't mind telling you. There we go, old chaps. Sharing the rations with the boys deep behind enemy lines. It's good stuff.
Rather though.
Good to be out, boys.
It truly is.
The music's working an absolute treat. I just like you a bit, do you? Radiant, sir. Radiant, sir.
Radiant, sir.
Oh, suit you, sir. There we go, guys. Sausages on. Those stainless mess tins. Be expertly cooked by Seano.
I wouldn't say expert, but cooked.
As long as they cook, mate, that's all that matters.
Frozen ones. They're badass, man. They were lovely. If you like, I got a little free beds on pies last time I was.
If you like their pudding selection, get that.
Right. Not been doing much filming, to be honest. I've just been chilling out with the fellas. Dino's doing some epic photography, like catching the smoke from the fire backlit over there by that light, looking out over the landscape, and yeah, it looks cool. Let's have a look, Dino. What am I saying?
Why do so many things look better in slow-mo? Even your fucking phones even do slow-mo now, don't they?
Good times.
Not even that, I think it's 4.
Right, guys, start the fire right up. About to do the live stream in 5 minutes. Dino's supplying some fine jungle techno for us. This is fine tune and all. But yeah, good to be out with the boys. They don't get much better.
Freedom.
Well, good morning, guys. A little bit croaky. Yeah, what a night that was. Really good fun around the fire with the fellas. Rained a bit last night, quite a bit, but it's definitely eased off now. Dino's gone. He were over there and he's got work this morning, so he had to leave. I think he went about 6:30. He was extremely quiet when he went. I didn't even hear him. Yeah, let's go and see the fellas.
Well,
Good morning. Camera straight in your face. How are we?
put your lippy on.
It's worth it to wake up to that, though, isn't it?
Yeah.
a special view.
Certainly is, mate. So yeah, pretty good to be back at the forest last night. Obviously great to be back up here with Deano. He's not been here for ages, and spending time with TJ is always really good, and getting Sean into it and up here, just amazing. 3 bloody good chaps. Sean just about survived the night. We told him a few things to creep him out of it, but yeah, he's all right. Got to get packed away now. It's always a bit crap when you're packing away stuff that's wet, because it's a bit of a rigmarole getting home, drying it out, all, but it's worth it. Time to get a brew on, I think, and a bit of breakfast. I'm going old school, hexy cooker with the Crusader attachment. There's some extremely old hexy there, but I've modernised a little bit, and I've got some fire dragging as well. Sean's got his gas stove. TJ is got his Trangia.
This is my oldest bit of camping kit.
Is it?
Yeah, 40-year-old Trangia.
No way.
So,
excellent.
it's a bit like Trigger's broom, because I've added a couple of pans and stuff.
Yeah.
Over the years, but you know.
Nah, if it works, and it lasts forever.
Yeah.
That's what I love about Trangias. A selection of British Army rat pack teas and coffees and sugars and stuff. And then Sean was going to cook us up some wild boar sausages.
He's feeding as well, that lad, isn't he?
Here's a good one. 3 stoves. Even fire dragons are pretty good. The line caught, dolphin friendly,
Red Tractor approved.
Red Tractor approved wild boar sausages are coming on a treat.
But yeah, I'm just basically warming them up.
I'll just tell them. We're cooking them like, Sean, they look like almost like they're pre-cooked, and yeah, it's almost salami.
Sean, coffee bag or sticky toffee pudding latte?
That one.
Go on, man. Right, fire one of them in. Ready to go, so
Just give me a sec.
I'm going for turbo tea. 7 tea bags, 15 sugars. We weren't sure whether well, we've decided they were pre-cooked,
Actually, pretty good.
but we've essentially just warmed them up, so we're just getting Sean to test them first.
kill.
You can eat anything, I've seen it.
Yeah.
That dessert you ate in Turkey that time, mate.
The only pudding that's ever made me rock.
Nice brew in the woods. We're talking to one of these sausages in a minute and get packed away. Okay then, we're all packed up. Bergen's packed. TJ's just folding his ground sheet away, and then we're good to go. There's a bag of rubbish, so we're leaving no trace whatsoever. Take everything we bring in, we'll take back, or even taking back a few extra bits that we find. That's the way you should do it. I'll show you the fire. That's where we had the fire. Completely covered up. Obviously it's all out, it was raining all last night. Leaving no trace. Right boys, back to the village. How do you feel, Sean, about the first night at the BCF?
It was absolutely wicked up here.
Yeah.
The view is amazing.
There you go. You're welcome back another time, mate.
But it feels like home already, mate, yeah? It's good.
Liking this new spot close to the cliff edge as well. Just remember, guys, that's the spider tree at the minute. Nature's pretty much fully reclaimed it. This spot here is where we first initially camped when we came up years upon years ago. And the trees fell over, and now nature's reclaiming this bit. This would be like a really open area. We should have a campsite there. Yeah. It's like some people's been up here and just not cleared the firewood away, look. We'll sort that. And then quite a few years we spent up here camping. Where TJ's just had a look.
Twat now.
We can get down this bit.
Come on.
We can get down this bit in the slippiness. We're all good. And we're back in the village. Another amazing camp as always with the fellas. TJ.
Thank you.
Seano. Like I said earlier, Dean had to go because he had work this morning, so we've just come down. It looks like it's about to turn into a real rubbish day, so we got lucky. It was quite warm last night. So if you watch this far as always, thank you very much. Thank you for liking, subscribing, all the good stuff that comes with it. Very appreciated. I'll leave you with a few pictures from the night. Sorry about the car noise, and I'll see you very soon. Take care.
Oh yeah.